Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Watch Wizard Service. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I will work on this watch brand name Seiko. It comes with the in-house caliber 7S36A packed with 23 number of jewels. It is not working properly, so I will service it. For cleaning I have used petrol, Alma and Rodico putty. Alma is watch cleaning liquid. And this video will demonstrate how to disassemble this movement. The dial feeds were broken, so it was glued with the movement. This is the day calendar disc guard, and this is how we remove it. First, I will remove this movement rotor. After taking out the rotor, then I can remove this movement ball wheel. And once the ball wheel is out, we can unwound this movement. This is the ratchet wheel. Now I will remove the balance top jewel. And now I will take out the balance wheel complete. Here is the pallet fork. Once we remove it, we can remove the train wheel bridge. Train wheel bridge has 3 number of screws. Here is the 4th wheel, 3rd wheel and escape wheel. Ratchet wheel click and barrel complete. Now I will take apart the keyless work. First we will remove the setting lever spring, then this is the setting lever spring. Here is the setting lever. And this is the yoke. And this is how the setting lever works. Clutch wheel and calendar intermediate wheel. This one is day corrector wheel, day disc corrector wheel, and this guard has four number of screws. This is the date jumper, date disc, hour wheel, and this is minute wheel. That was date corrector wheel, and this is the Canon pinion. Now I will remove the lower balance jewel. And now the only thing is left to remove its center wheel.